Welcome to my listeners. We are continuing with the video. The health is your birthright. In today's topic, I am going to cover diabetes, a malady. Before that, I should remind you that many of you have not subscribed to the channel. Kindly do that. What is diabetes? Is it a disease or a disorder? Certainly, it is a disorder. Your pancreas is not in order. It is not able to process the glucose to break down and give it to the entire circulatory system. This is due to variety of reasons. The main thing being the digestive system disturbances, starting with the liver. Those stuff we need not go into details. Here, what we can do to come out of this situation, that is lockdown situation, without medicine for the people who are suffering from diabetes or thinking that they are suffering from diabetes. If the glucose level is more than what is needed in the bloodstream, then the pancreas will develop a pancreas insulin resistance. This resistance will automatically affect the functioning of main organs like heart, kidney, our eyesight, eyes, then the teeth, and of all the skin. Number of vital organs will get affected. It just devastates. Hence, it is absolutely essential. One has to control the diabetes within the normal level. There are essentially three types of diabetes. One is the type 1, which indicates that either from the birth itself or at the earliest stage of the life, it inflicts the patient. The insulin is not at all produced, and daily supply of needed insulin is a requirement. The second one is a type 2 diabetes, which normally affects the people after the middle age. Of course, it can happen earlier too, but generally what we are seeing is it is between 35 or after this type of type 2 diabetes develops. It is due to insulin resistance. The glucose level in the bloodstream is higher than what is needed, and it cannot break down the glucose further, or it is improper. That's how the type 2 diabetes develops. Let's see, the third one is gestational diabetes, which is happening only to the pregnant ladies during their carrying time. It might disappear after the delivery, and in certain cases it continues. Those people who are continuously suffering even after delivery may have to take adequate care and attention. So let us go through the type 2 diabetes, which is our subject matter today. Throughout India, locally available medicines, it is not medicines, perhaps food items, are being used to control the type 2 diabetes. Among them, most important are gooseberry, in certain cases the turmeric, then comes the leaves of tender leaves of mango tree, tender leaves of guava tree. Again, some people do take the decoction of a variety of native medicines that is essentially containing Syzygium seeds, from which actually Syzygium symbolinum is also being made of, and variety of teas. These can definitely bring down, especially the methi, karela, etc., can drastically bring down the diabetes level. But one thing we should be very careful, don't repeat the same stuff again and again and again. And always take note of which one has given you good relief. All may not get good relief or partial relief from these medicines, but one among them or two among them may be very much beneficial to you. Make a note of it. Otherwise, you will forget. And don't continue the same thing again. I am repeating because it can create some sort of side effects because of long term use. I told that diabetes is a modifiable disease. Modify your eating habits, introduce exercise, take proper rest, get good sleep. These are all belonging to that modifications. Let's see what is the food regimen. Essentially, we have to take care of carbs and fats. Both are not good for diabetes. We are generally wheat eaters and rice eaters, but there are umpteen number of other items which can substitute rice and wheat. For example, the millets. Throughout India, millets and food grains are available, and generally we know which are all the things which will help to control the diabetes. Please convert from the simple carbs to complex carbs, and instead of rice and wheat to millets and grains. Another important area is strictly to avoid sugar, good, and honey. Many people used to think that honey will not contribute to increased level of sugar. That is not correct. It will. And we should be guard against the artificially available food items, colas, sarbats, and of course the bread, sauce, and similar artificial items. There is nothing better than the items prepared at your home. Generally, the Jains community will not eat anything grown under the ground. In fact, for the diabetic people also that can be a principle. Means the gouts or the roots grown under the ground, except perhaps the lasoon, lasoon is garlic, or pyaj, that is onion, and similar certain items which is not containing high level carbs can be used, and other thing which is having simple carbs should be strictly avoided. What is simple carb and complex carb, that you may refer, then you will get more details on that. In other words, instead of white rice, you can go to a certain level the brown rice. Instead of a kacha rice, you can go for the boiled rice. Like that it goes. It takes little more time to digest. So immediate rush of glucose level will not be visible in the bloodstream. Dr. Meghna Chansakar of Canada, who is originally from India, is working for No Diabetic Foundation there. She has designed and prepared number of types of dishes, especially the salads varieties for the diabetic patients. Perhaps it is worthwhile to go through that preparations which are available in YouTube. Liquor and tobacco are also forbidden. Yes, it is socially acceptable, but you have to decide your limit because you are going to be your own master. Here, need not wait for the advice from your doctor. You can adopt it very easily. After the food regimen, importance is given more to the exercise. Here, exercise means even yogasana includes. In Indian context, this Vajrasana, Bhujarangasana, Bastriga, Yoga Mudra, all are meant for managing the diabetes in an efficient way. You can consult one of your nearby yogic teacher for further details. But at our home or on our own, what we can do? The best thing is walking. There is nothing better than walking. If people are capable or having the facility of swimming, that's welcome. Bit of cycling is permitted, but during this lockdown period, restrictions are there for all these activities. But do exercise at least for 20 minutes. You burn out the calories. Unless you burn out the calories, we cannot control the diabetes. Let's see how best you can exercise and then bring down the diabetic level. You take down, and the vast difference will be noticeable. Please do. Don't look for the shops to open for the medicines. Now, after the exercise, again there is an important factor. Why I am telling all these things repeatedly in blood pressure, in heart problems? Because these are all the most basic factors one must attend to regain a normalcy. Modification. Modification, simple modification. That will allow you to be very healthy. Let us do that. There is no money involved, only time and little comfort or convenience. Spare it. Now, the mind. Mind is very important. We have seen number of factors when the mind is very much upset, and continuously if it is one is upset, definitely it leads to diabetes. It leads to high blood pressure. It can create heart problems. Then modification of our outlook, making our mind little bit nice to the environment, to yourself, to your family. These are all very important. Common myths with respect to diabetes are wonderfully wrong. Number one is that if I will eat sugar, will I be a diabetic? No. If I will take fruits, will I become a diabetic? No. If I will eat rice and wheat, will I become a diabetic? No. I am talking about the changes only to those who have already suffered from diabetes. Otherwise, you can eat whatever you want within the limits. Your requirement is very less, perhaps half of the stuff what you are eating today. You make that amends. You measure it, see how much is needed. Totally avoid the red meat if possible because it gives lot of calorie. Are you in a position to burn out those calories? Yes, our farmers can do that. That hand cart puller can do that, but not the person who is in IT, who is managing a company, or who is in stock market. So one who works can eat. One who is not working, one who is not burning out the calories should restrict their intake. That's all. Mr. Wasim Akram, the famous cricketer of Pakistan, is a diabetic. I was not knowing. No one can understand the way in which he plays and he presents himself. But the secret is that he is burning out the calories. He is managing his diabetes. Similarly, all of you can manage your diabetes without medicines. I am talking. If these things are implied, complied, then you are through. But it does not give you a guarantee that the diabetes will not come again. You cannot go for the feast, big feast, and take 2 times meals at one time. Don't overeat. Don't be a frequenter to the hotels, and take care of your stomach, your appetite, your taste, your tongue. You are through. Let us try. Let us make a try. I hope you have understood my points and will implement, and perhaps medication may not be needed for you. Anyhow, you have managed during this lockdown without medicines, without consulting. Okay, you can manage, gentlemen. You can do that. Let us do that. And thank you for listening. Again, I shall come back to you. Next time, it will be on a subject which is very precious to know, that is cancer. All are afraid of cancer, but there is nothing to afraid of cancer. We shall meet in next episode about cancer. Till then, goodbye to all of you. Thank you for patient hearing. Bye bye.